Hello friends, welcome to our channel Lakshmi's Information Technology. Today's topic is click on one button to change multiple buttons background color, or else div inside all buttons change background color when we click on one button. How to change multiple buttons background without using ID in ASP.NET using JavaScript. Let's get started. Open Visual Studio. Two 2012. New project. Project or website as you wish. Here web ASP.NET empty web application. Here button change background. Button colors. Click on OK. Click on OK. Here our project is created. Just click on this. Add new item. Web form. Default.axpx. Enter. Here creating 4 buttons inside div. Give some ID. ID equal to bt buttons. Save. Simply write 4 buttons. Text 1. Background color equal to some pink. Style equal to width 150 pixel, height 35 pixel, and border radius 5 pixels. Okay, same button sorry, simply save this one. Style equal to text align, center. Okay, now I'm creating another button that is in update panel. ID equal to update panel 1 up1 content template. Here I'm writing one more button. Okay, button ID 4. on click equal to I'm using a client click. So now I write the JavaScript using script tag function change color open brace and close brace. Now close it. Okay. If you need, you have to write debugger also, where button equal to document dot get element by id. Here write your id, button 4, copy and paste it here. Dot get element by id tag. Tag name. Okay. Input and with semicolon. Now we have to if you need any alert like how many buttons is there, just have to put it as a alert of buttons dot length. If you need, you can write that, or else write for loop int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to buttons dot length. Sorry, not int, where button dot length semicolon I plus plus open and close. Inside we have to write a logic. Buttons of I dot style dot background color equal to blue. Sorry. Write it as blue and end with semicolon. Same like background. Simply write it as on client click equal to return change color. Save. Here copy the function name and paste it here, close semicolon, return false. Okay. On change color, sorry, here give div id. So copy this and paste it here and save. Now run this application. If I click on this button, remaining all buttons change background color as a blue color. So click on this. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.